Hi guys, I'm Raven, a mental health enthusiast, and welcome to my 7-day journaling challenge! Woo, woo, woo! This is day 1 of the 7-day journaling challenge. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I can't wait for all of the revelations that you make this week. Okay, so our goal for day 1 is to ground and center ourselves. So today we're really going to be getting our bodies and our minds and our spirits ready to embark on this 7-day journaling challenge. We are going to ground. We all know we need it, and recenter, refocus ourselves so that we can get ready to rediscover who we are on the inside. Today we're going to be doing some meditation and some deep breathing for release. Breathe in that wonderful prana. Okay, here we go. Let's jump right in. Journal prompt for day 1. Let's do this. Right now, in this very moment, what does it feel like in your body? What does it feel like to be in your body? Describe that. Do you have any immediate needs that need tending to? What does it feel like right now? I'm a little hungry. I'm warm under these ring light lights. A little anxious to film these YouTube videos because I've been kind of down and out lately. My heart's racing a bit. I want you to describe what you're feeling in your body, because this is going to allow you to connect your mind and your body. You got to connect them. You guys really should be on one accord, okay? I'm talking like you're two different people, but sometimes it can really feel like that. But your mind, body, and spirit really do have to be on one accord. They got to work together. They got to work together so that you can accomplish your goals, so that you can manifest that desired life. Mind, body, spirit, we're all in this together, okay? Si se puede. It means yes, we can. I want you to find your core, okay? Find your core. Bring your attention to your brain. Bring your attention to your brain. Now connect. Find it. Where's your brain? Where is it? There it is, right? You know where our brain is. Find it. Put our focus on it. Place our focus on our brain. Connect. Good. Good, good, good. Now I want you to bask in this mind-body connection. Feel it. Hi, body. Mind. Bask in this connection. I want you to send your energy from your middle back, that base of your spine. Send it up to your brain, all the way up to the center of your brain. Up, 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 up. Send that energy up. And send it back down from your brain, down, 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 down. To the base of your spine, right there below your navel. And keep doing that. Let that energy circulate from your mind and your body. Now I want you to send your energy, your brain and your mind, down to your core, right here, below that belly button. Now send it down to the center of the earth. We're grounding now. We're grounding. Send that energy to the earth. Hello, earth. How are you? I'm here. Good, 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 good. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Slowly. Good. You just meditated. You just did meditation. I'm so proud of you. Now, does your body feel different now than it did before? If so, write about that. What's the difference? Pre-meditation and post meditation? What's the difference? How are the sensations in your body different now? What changed now that your body, mind, and spirit are more connected? What changed? Okay, that is it for today. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and to continue on this 7-day journaling challenge. I will see you tomorrow. I love you so much. Bye.